Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys.
I'm here.
Come, let them see you. Come. No, come. Wow, who's that?
Daya.
What do you say?
I mean, big brother.
You're a big brother. Yes, a morning face.
Okay.
What are you doing this morning?
I want to do the puzzle with Mama.
You want to do the puzzle with Mama?
Yeah.
But what was Mama doing?
Cooking breakfast.
Right, Mama is making breakfast and Mama was dancing, right?
Yeah.
Mama woke up full of energy this morning, and I know you guys been asking for the baby mama dance, so I attempted to film it this morning because I was in a dancing mood. So I just catch myself in the moment just dancing. So hopefully by the time this vlog is out, that little video would have already been out and you guys would have seen me dancing. I'm gonna make breakfast and then I come and play the puzzle with you, okay?
When the song come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mama, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off, turn it off.
If she your baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama. Drop
Drop it down, drop it down, down, low. Drop it down, drop it down, down, low. Drop it down, drop it down, down, low.
So by the time this vlog is out, that video should have been out and you guys would see me just dancing to some random Jamaican music. And yeah, that's what I've been up to this morning. Woke up with a little pain in my back, but I know that once I get my massage done I would feel better, so I did just that, and I feel better for the moment. But I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I have some water, going to make me some tea. I'm going to fry me some plantain and some eggs and get some food in this body because I need to go on the road. Fruits and veggie store today, and I need to go to another place today. So yes.
What letter sound that?
What letter sound d?
No, da.
Da?
Yeah.
That's two letters. Da is two letters. You tell me which two letters.
D.
And da. Da. D, and which other letter?
D.
Da. Ah, da.
A.
Right, so it's D and A sounds da. Right?
Sorry, that dinosaur.
Okay, I see. Alright, go finish up your puzzle. And as Tyler woke up this morning, he's on to puzzles. So that's what I am up to this morning. Nothing too fancy. I am back in my ripe plantain mood and I ditched green plantain for now. Ripe plantain gives me more life these days than green plantain. So I'm doing just that. So hopefully you guys will have a good day today. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, enjoy doing it. Whatever time of the day you guys watching this vlog, make today a productive one. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's video. I see you. You guys, we are, oh, I can't see. We are in the streets, trying to find this place that have a package for me. I bought something online and it delivered at a specific spot that is available for me to pick it up today. But we're in the spot and we don't see the place. There's a sign, but you know when there is no clear direction to send you somewhere, that's what's happening right now. So baby's gone to walk to see if it's somewhere in the complex inside where we are. So we're just chilling and waiting on my package to come. I actually bought a shoes on Just Fab, so let's see if baby will find where it's from. And I'm rocking one of my queer shirts from Priscilla today. Well, this shirt is actually babe's but it's big and it's perfect for my preggo belly, so I'm wearing one of them today and I love it. So cute. So yeah, Tyler is there chilling. Say hi, pumpkin. Ty. Tyler. You're funny. Lord knows I'm going to sin today, but I'm craving mango, so I shall get it. Ooh, these are pretty. So I am gonna take a small one. This looks good. You guys, this thing is called ugly and look where it's from. Jamaica. And I need a few bananas. I'm planting. I've ditched green planting, so I only want red planting. My green planting phases has subsided. And I'm taking a few green bananas, the little ones, because I don't like my green bananas big. You want strawberry tie? Can you come and stretch and take the one all the way up the top where nobody can touch?
But after that's for kg, so that's why they change the...
Put this one, yes. Put it in your card. See Papa take it up for you, okay? Yeah. You guys, I can't believe how expensive those mangoes were, but God knows and see that I needed them. So I got mango and I'm gonna eat them the real Jamaican way. When I reach home, I'm gonna put all of them in a bowl and I'm gonna eat all of them. I got mangoes. They smell so good. They're actually from the Dominican Republic. So
Colombia.
It was Colombia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Colombia.
It's smelling up the car, literally.
Smelling the juice.
And babe not even going to smell one. I might let him taste
Colombia,
it.
let me taste the Colombian.
But you're a fool. I might let him taste it. I'll think about it, but I'm just salivating right now because I want to just eat them before I reach home. But anyway, I'll show you guys all the things that we got when we reach home from this fruits and vegetable store.
Hi guys, there's a little box. So I want to see how pretty, because sometimes they look pretty online, but when you get them, you're disappointed.
So when you skimping the box, take it out of the box. You're a hot mess.
I want to see it. She can't see it, she can't see it, she can't see it.
Oh Lord. Let me see now.
You're so
Yeah, like guys, so that's the shoes I get to babe. They're nice, they're cute. I'm proud of my choice. I hope she's gonna like it.
Your choice. Who chose it?
I did.
You guys, I'm gonna show you the mangoes that I got. I got 5 mango for €8. And I shall be going back in the week by the hook or by the crook to get some more.
They smell good at least.
They smell good. And me only go wipe it up babe nose, so I'm gonna try eat 3 now or 2 and leave 2 for later. Not even tomorrow, later.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get one.
No.
No, I won't get one the way you say you want
No,
it for you.
no,
I
not
won't even
you, no.
enjoy it if I touch it.
Ah! I will feel guilty.
I will feel like if I am a rubber. Good.
Anyways,
Don't
you
say
guys,
I
they
want
look
to
like stringy back home. I don't know what kind of mango they are, but it smells good. No, babe. You guys, it look like stringy, but it tastes like number. Glory. You guys, I'm going to sit. And I think I'm going to come back for the next 2 after.
Smell good.
That's the end result. That's the closest I got to home. That's the closest I taste Jamaica. It tastes just like a Jamaica stringy. So good. But the texture is like number. And I just killed 3 and I have 2 more to kill later. But that was good.
So Tyler, you went to the supermarket?
Huh?
You went to the supermarket?
Yeah.
And what did you get at the supermarket?
So this is time for baby sister for bath.
Very
Oh.
cool. Give it to mama.
And what is that?
This is a little bus for baby sister.
Should we show them?
Which color is that?
Pink.
Okay. And what is that?
Give that one to mama.
Okay. And this is what?
It's the temperature, it's the thermometer for the water for her bath to know if it's too hot. Okay? You have the blue one just like that when you were a baby.
So you put that in the water when baby sister is about to bath, so you know if the water is too hot or too cold. Okay?
Okay.
So it's a pink fish. And this is for you.
It's
All
oil for your hair.
of this food, this is
Wait, Chuff, is this one that you took out already? What's this?
This is strawberry.
And how many you already ate? 3 big ones.
You like strawberry?
Yeah.
Or you prefer this? What you prefer?
I prefer strawberry.
You prefer strawberry? No! No, this is better than strawberry.
Yes. No, it's a pet. No. No.
It's Mama's favorite one.
What's that one?
What is that, Tyler?
Broccoli.
Broccoli? You don't like, you want broccoli ice cream?
You're too far away.
You want a broccoli ice cream? Ask Mama to make you a broccoli ice cream.
I want you to make me a broccoli ice cream.
Yuck! What is that?
This is onion.
Oh, you want onions on your pizza?
No.
No?
I don't like that.
No.
No.
Come, give me that one.
I don't
Look
like
like Mama always get yucky things today. What is that, Tyler?
salad.
No, this
No,
is not
it's
salad.
cabbage.
This is cabbage.
Give it to mama. Thank you.
This is for me.
What's that one? You have to show the face.
What is that, Tyler? Show
What's that?
face.
Green bean
For who?
for Papa.
And?
And not me.
Why not? Of course for you too.
I don't like it.
Yes, you do. What is this?
This is banana.
No, it's corn.
It means
It's
banana.
It's corn, Tyler.
Silly.
And what is this?
And this.
It's time.
It's time?
I don't know that.
This is healthy food.
What's
Papa.
that one? Show me.
Carrot.
For who?
For me.
For you.
Carrot.
For me.
Carrot, they say carrots make you nice.
Yeah.
And this is...
Salad.
Right. Oh, this is another mango that fell out of the bag.
Lie.
Lie.
Tomato.
Yeah, the little hop that say, woo.
No, I know you're lying. I didn't have any hope at all.
This is banana that look green.
Green banana.
Uh-huh.
Big banana.
What's this?
Yellow banana.
No. Stop letting Papa trick you. What is this?
Plantain.
Right.
Plantain.
No. What is this?
Banana.
Yes. Yes.
What is that?
Watermelon.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Bravo.
Watermelon make you muscle.
Meal time. Why are you stripping naked?
That's even sexy.
My nut.
You want to show? Don't do your clothes like that. Ready?
I'm doing my ABC.
That's what you're doing inside?
I'm doing my A, B.
Okay, let's open the mail to see who it's from and what it is. Ready?
A, B.
Ready?
Yes.
What do you think it is?
It's something to do with sister.
Yes, it is. Ooh. But who is this from? Oh my gosh. I don't know who is this from. Mine tell me it's from my friend Sasia. Oh my gosh. It looks like something for her to do her photo shoot in. Oh my gosh.
Would you make it some that goes to?
So this is a headband. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so cute. You want to do notification shout out?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Look at this little skirt. Well, I think this is from my best friend Sasia, but I'm gonna check to see who it's from, and if I'm wrong, I'll insert the name of Lucatella. Come closer so Faves can see you. You look just like that's how baby sister gonna look. Show Papa.
Yeah, little girl.
Goes to Paula Gay Miller. This one. Say Anne. Marcia Parsley. This one. Say it. Marcia Parsley. And now you say thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And don't forget to have my little hand.
Hello, Phil.
And hello, please.
What are you eating, Tara? That's Papa who cooked tonight? Well, if you call that cook, but that was me, the chef, what is that? Mmm, that looks yummy.
Tell them what you're eating, Ty.
What you eating, Tyler?
And sausage.
Barbecue.
Mm-hmm. Hi guys, baby's not feeling well today. Actually, so I'm the one who cook, and you know I don't cook as well as her, so I just do simple things, but hopefully good things. So that's the fire, and that's the barbecue. Just finished sausage and merguez, and yep, that's what I'm gonna eat. That's what we all gonna eat. That's gonna be a nice dinner.
It's yummy.
You like it?
Very good.
And you prefer?
The fries is
Just
moist and nice and
that's my only responsibility.
the sausage is good too.
Alright, I'm glad. That looks yummy. Look at that. Look at that.